Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Leos. And I also have a fairy tale pick a card love reading. That is a special reading, guys. So that will follow this general energy, Leos. If you want more clarity, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Pentacles in reverse, Queen of Swords, and Nine of Wands. So with these cards, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys, in your personal life. So you are someone who is honest, truthful to the people around you. So in your work or in your life in this relationship, you are someone who is giving accurate perception, you who has accurate perception, and you are giving ideas based on that, or suggesting people what you need to do based on that, or based on your experiences. And you are valued for your truth and that honest intentions you have towards the people in your life, guys, Leos. And today, maybe for some reason or for some of you, the things that you trusted, maybe your circumstance, some kind of in your work, maybe, or some person in your life, it may be a friend, a family member, or this person you love. Maybe you expected certain things from them, or you expected them to be in a particular way, but they have ruined your expectations, and they have broken your trust. Maybe they don't seem to be up to your your expectation, guys. So they have broken that trust you had on this person, and you are whatever you are doing, you are putting in lot of effort, you are using all your skills, talents, doing with utmost concentration. But no matter the quality of your work, you are seeing some delays in your work or some kind of obstacles. So it may be, again, it may be the energy with this relationship. So some kind of troubles or some kind of stress, some sadness in your situation, guys. And maybe for some of you, it may be in your relationship, maybe you are in a temporary separation or away from this person, maybe, guys, for some of you. So Leos, let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Nine of Cups in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, it may be in your this may be what your person feels about you, or you feel about them. Maybe you would have had some doubts, maybe we saw that energy, maybe you feel that you cannot trust them. But with this card, guys, I feel that you can trust this person. They are loyal and they are dedicated to you, and they are interested only in you, guys. So all that mistakes or whatever arguments or some misunderstandings you have in your connection, Leos, that is all going to resolve, guys. That is what I see. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Eight of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So with this card in your career situation, maybe for some of you, I see that things are going in a very difficult way, guys. maybe you may see some financial troubles in your situation, and however hard you are trying, you are not getting that expected results, guys. So some kind of worry because of that, Leos. So that is the reading, Leos. If you are interested, you can watch the fairy tale special pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and it is going to be a special pick a card love reading, fairy tale pick a card love reading. So let's see what is your story. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So this is your first card and this is your second card, or you can choose with the crystals here. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. I will move this card aside. We will see what is the card for y'all, guys, with this crystal. And what is the card? We have the princess who never smiled, healing. So that is the card for y'all, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So in your situation today, guys, you are healing. Maybe you would have faced some difficult situation in your relationship or in your life. A lot of struggles you had been through, and it was quite depressing, and you were really in sadness, grieving. Maybe someone has moved out, or some kind of stress. Maybe you would have gone through a breakup, something that was worrying you a lot. But today with this card, the energy is that your grief is coming to an end today, guys. So in your situation, all that grief, troubles, or whatever struggles you were facing, it is coming to an end today, guys. And you are going to meet a loving, honest person, kind and compassionate soul, who is going to heal your heart, who is going to make you laugh, and all your stress and all your depressing times are coming to an end today, guys. And there are certain positive, unexpected things waiting to unfold for you in your love. So you may find this person, you may not know them before, but you may just find them accidentally, or they may come into your life accidentally, and they are going to heal you all that negative energy that you have, all that sadness and stress, whatever it is, and they are going to make you laugh. And these changes are forever, guys, and it is going to help you for the better. So that is what I see with this card. For those who have chosen this first card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card, guys. For those who chose the second crystal and the second card, we have the day boy and night girl, balance. And the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card and this crystal. So today you are moving towards that balance in your life, guys. Maybe you are afraid of that warmth of love or joy that you experience in your relationship, or you are hiding from the darkness, maybe that boredom or stillness you feel. Maybe sometimes we feel stuck, we don't know what to do, that quietness, or some stressful times, maybe some arguments or stress, whatever negative things that are there. So in order to make this relationship flourish, we have to find that balance in our relationship, in our life, guys. Only then we will have that wholeness or completeness in our life. So you need to overcome your fears, and there is someone helping you. Maybe this person you love, they are helping you come out of your fear, or whatever stress or whatever you are trying to avoid, maybe, guys. So this is the time for you to give up your fear and start fresh, have that freshness in your relationship. And maybe for some of you, you are healing from your traumatic past. Maybe your childhood days, you would have seen some bad things, or some had some really worrying experiences, but you are coming out of it, you are healing from it, and there is a whole new world right in front of you to explore today, guys. And this person may be helping you out today to experience that happiness or that wholeness in your situation, trying to find that balance and trying to adapt that positive and negative energies we all have within ourselves, guys. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys, with this card. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.